told me you were wanted on a warrant, but dispatch confirmed the wrong person.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In late summer of 2022, Mr. Bowman was assisting his friend move his personal belongings out of a storage unit at the property owner's request.
Hey guys.
How you doing?
How are you?
Good, yourself?
I'm alright. Can I have everybody step out here, please?
Yeah.
Including those two.
Yeah, guys, come out here, guys.
He tells the group that a passerby had called to report suspicious activity.
So basically what happened is we got a report of you guys loading up things into your vehicles.
Right.
Yeah. It's his stuff. They just closed and he needed to get his stuff out.
I understand.
Yeah,
Do you have any proof that
I can probably find a bill or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Is that fine? I'll find that. No, that's...
Do you have your driver's license by chance?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I borrow that, please?
Yeah.
The officer met no resistance from the group when he asked for their identification.
Thank you. And if you two could just or if everybody could stay where I can see them, that'd be ideal. Thank you.
The owner of the items provides a bill, which should have dispelled any suspicions of the officer, but he still takes their IDs to run them, and after running one of the men's IDs, it appeared that he had a warrant. The officer then asked dispatch for a list of items that they shouldn't be moving out of the storage unit.
District 340, can you advise what items they're not supposed to have?
And to confirm the warrant.
And could you also confirm that J4?
Dispatch confirmed that they were allowed to take what they had.
My partner advised him that they can take the stuff. He just wanted them to leave, I guess.
As other units arrive on scene.
How are you?
Late to the party. What's going on?
Nothing, it's what it sounds like.
Okay.
It sounds like that.
Like a bullshit call.
The Bowman subject might have a J4 though.
Okay.
The officer then mutes his body cam to speak with his coworkers, during which the warrant was never confirmed by dispatch, but the officer makes the decision to take the man into custody anyway.
Into this, I'm gonna be kind of not happy. No, I'm good, man. No, I got it. If it ends up being a thing, I got it. It's not a problem. Sorry about that. That's you.
Yep.
That's you. Brandon, can you stand up for me?
Yeah.
It looks like you might have an active warrant, man. So just until they confirm or deny, I'm going to detain you.
Can you tell me for what?
Can you put your hands behind your back for me?
Yeah.
Go ahead for me.
As the officer takes Mr. Bowman into custody, dispatch finally comes back over the radio to confirm a birth date, but he doesn't ask Mr. Bowman his birth date or check it against his driver's license.
Bowman, 3293.
Yeah, it looks like a failure to appear, man.
Failure to appear for what?
I'll tell you when we get to the spot. All right? Can you put your cigarette out for me?
Now handcuffed in the back of a cruiser, Mr. Bowman asks what the warrant was for, giving the officer yet another chance to check the name and date of birth to the man he has arrested.
Yeah, I'll look it up for you right now. Yeah, no problem. It looks just for failure to appear. That's all I have on my end, but when we get down there, they'll be able to give me the actual warrant and I can tell you what it was for.
During the drive, Mr. Bowman tells the officer that he's never had an interaction with any police or sheriff's deputy in the area, giving him another chance to verify that he has the right man.
I've never even so much as 331, I tried to transfer. Did it go through?
But instead, the deputy is silent. Moments before the officer booked an innocent man, Mr. Bowman repeats that he's never been involved in a police interaction in that area.
I've never had any sort of interaction with law enforcement out of this county ever. I mean, I've never lived here. I've never...
Yeah, it just looks like failure to appear. It might not even been out of this county.
Finally, as he should have done on scene, The officer verifies the man's birth date.
3/10/1993. Your birthday?
No.
Let's see.
Yeah, no, it's not me. Birthday.
Yeah.
Social.
Yeah. That's on them, not me. Come on. We're gonna take it back. We're gonna take it back. I'm gonna take you out of those cuffs.
The officer removes the handcuffs and blames dispatch for his own mistake.
That's on them, not on me, man. I'm sorry.
I'm totally not even upset with you, bud. At all.
That's from dispatch because they told me you were wanted. And that's not your fault or my fault.
I ain't mad at you.
Listen. Here's your ID back.
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna take you back. Are they still there? Do you know? Can you give them a call real quick?
Yeah, I can call them.
And I'll meet them with you.
Yeah. I got service in here.
Here, hold on. Get in the car and I'll
Alright.
take you back. Open the door. Open the door. Yeah.
Are you going to there?
Dispatch confirmed the wrong person.
Oh, so he's
Yeah, he's not even coming. On 450 South? Like all the way south? Yeah, I don't care.
Garden City, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I can take you there.
Yeah, alright. I appreciate it.
Now willing to do just about anything Mr. Bowman asks, the officer reaches for the radio. But as a last-minute decision, decides to call his supervisor on a cell phone.
On a warrant, but dispatch confirmed the wrong person. So, it's not gonna be him. I took him out of cuffs, and I'm taking him to meet the people that he was with at the Circle K on State Road 11. So I didn't begin the booking process or anything like that. I'm just gonna document in my report what happened exactly. They confirmed the wrong Bowman. I did. And they told me he was Sigma 40. Yeah, but the socials are different. I'm sorry, man. It's more on us than it is you, and I apologize, man. Is this the one you wanted to go to? Alright.
While this incident appears to lack intent or malice, and that alone may grant the officer immunity from civil action, it was certainly negligent, and should serve as a reminder that you should know your rights. Disregarding the idea that the officer misidentified Mr. Bowman, we must ask whether Mr. Bowman was required to identify in the first place. All three individuals were cooperative, and wasted no time to prove that they had a lawful reason to be there. And based on this little snippet from a radio interaction in the beginning,
My partner is advising that They can take the stuff. He just wanted them to leave, I guess.
It appears the officers and department knew why they were there, and that the call could have been from the owner of the facility, trying to use the officers as a scare tactic for them to hurry up, take their stuff, and leave. But further records would need to be pulled to figure that out. I'll be working with Mr. Bowman to obtain those files, as he seeks representation, so if you are or know anybody in Columbus, Indiana that would like to help, my email can be found in the description below, as well as a link to Southern Indiana News Network, where you can find the unedited version of this video. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.